the kill. Last 3 of the case. Just added a new case. Tribute 2 box will probably go next. Gets the first auto for 10. You're out of control, June Park. Good luck. Get a silver of Jim Rice. First auto right out the gate is Edgar Martinez for the Mariners and King Love. Another nice name. Saw Edgar earlier in Tier 1. Here he is in Select. Got a diamond level of Ortega, silver of Arelis Martinez, and Nolan Ryan. Buster Posey, jersey match white. Number to 149. Silver Owen White. Got white parallels and Owen White. Sweeper Redemption. Whoops. Redemption is a rookie jersey auto tricolor of Bobby Miller for the Dodgers. The tricolor jersey autos are number to 49. Dodgers scooped up by Elt. Bobby Miller had a pretty solid rookie season for him this year. Tony La Russa's scope. Red, white, and blue of Canerco. White, number to 149, Kai Bush for the Angels. We have a Tim Wakefield silver for the Red Sox and a Marcelo Meyer for the Red Sox, tricolor relic. Red Sox continue to eat. Scope, Luis Acuna. Tie-dye, number to 25, Warren Spahn for the Braves. Diamond level tie-dye, 17 of 25 goes to Bryce. Had a green to 5 last break. Now you get a tie-dye. Milwaukee Braves, that is. En Fuego of Bobby Miller. Cool Papa Bell on the nickname SP. That's a random. That is a random to the break. We got to do that at the end. Cool Papa. Does not go to a team. It's Negro Leagues. We have Junior Caminero, rookie silver jersey for the Rays. Emerson Hancock silver. Diamond level of Joe Carter. Goose Gossage tricolor. Silver of Walter Ford. Silver of Whitey Ford. That's pretty funny. Walter Ford and Whitey Ford. Frankie Frisch, number 149, white. Auto is Elijah Green. Saw him in Chronicles. There he is in Select. I just had deja vu. Tie-dye number to 25, Frankie Alvarez. That's pretty sick. Diamond level tie-dye again. It's a solid name, Frankie Alvarez. Nice hit, Zilla. John Zilla. Silver of Babe Herman. Ellie De La Cruz, silver jersey, number to 199. Getting some good ones on the jerseys. Scope of Bobby Miller. We have another relic, number to 199. It's Sal Frelick. Joe Tinker White, Yuri Perez, Marcelo Meyer tricolor, and Fuego of Yuri, Silver Tidwell, and a Brandon Pfaadt. Rookie jersey auto of Brandon Pfaadt for the D-backs. Postseason hero. Then June Park would be a genius. That one's pretty thick. Steve Carlton scope. Evan Carter white. Number to 149. Ellie De La Cruz and Fuego. We have Cracked Ice, number to 23. 3-color patch of J.R. Ritchie. Bryce. Hitting very nicely with Atlanta. 4 of just 23. Pedro Martinez, tricolor. Scope of Raleigh Fingers and a Termar Johnson. You already are insane, Jude. Robert Hassel, number /75. Ellie De La Cruz, Rookie Revolution. Joe Torre. Silver of Noelvi. Silver Rookie Revolution of Ellie. Number 149, white. Joe Morgan. Susak. Mason Wynn. That's a decent name for the Cardinals. And Daniel M. Mason Wynn. I don't know. If somebody wants to sacrifice, we can find out. There's one more auto at the end, I think. These are probably pretty tough to rip, too. I mean, all the chrome cards, it's tough. I'm supposed to be able to just rip right through them. James Wood. The Nationals get an Elijah Green and now a James Wood to end it. Meadowman, very nice. We have to random this, and then we'll recap. Cool Papa. Everybody's eligible. Cool Papa. Top spot wins the Cool Papa Bell nickname, SP. Dice rolls a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth and final 9. The Texas Rangers. There you go, Dave. That starts it. Yeah, Tribute 2 will probably be next.